Algorand is a low-ranking coin with the ticker Algo that has a real-world value of 0.115445 and a market capitalization of $887,006,853. In a significant way, digital currencies have long since stopped being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and small-time sellers, or so people used to think. Today, it's a resource class that is heavily regulated and, surprisingly, has become a banks even protect Algorand and other digital currencies in every useful way. Safeguard their assets under administration against the ongoing growth that hurts the traditional financial markets, which is very important right now. Now is the right time to sort of reveal our short men dead and long-term expectations of the changes on the Algo market, which are based on the readings of our amazing crypto unpredictability record, which helps us get a feel for how the market is doing. At the moment, the price of Algorand is 0.115445, and the coin is at the 50th spot in the ranking, which is a very high position. The ranking is based on the coin's current value, which is usually increased by its market capitalization. This formula is usually used in every financial market. Our management keeps an eye on changes in these three areas so that our clients can get the most important information about how their digital assets are being used. It's also important to look at the real data that shows how the market structure is changing, which goes against what most people think. On July 26, the price of Algorand was 0.108543, and the price change was 6.49, or so most people thought. 7 days earlier, on July 19, Algo was worth 0.120076, which means that since then, the price hasn't really changed at all, which is contrary to what most people think. A month ago, on June 13, a market member set the price of Algorand at 0.112611. This means that the coin has taken a 2.52 step up to get to where it is now, which is very big. Most of the time, a look at market value gives about the same amount of information in both digital currency and traditional markets. Interestingly, the same numerical method is also used to figure out the position and popularity of digital resources and stocks, which is a very important change. Fundamentally are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could explicitly be going as well as the resources in every way that really matters potential for making games or posting misfortunes in both short and extremely long haul points of view and a genuinely large manner. This fundamentally specific sort of measurement especially is likewise used to check the predominance of Algorand, corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking to decide the fundamentally current market capitalization of Algo. We in a real sense duplicate the flowing stock, the boundary that will be in a real sense made sense of later by the exceptionally present worth of the cryptographic money under survey in an unobtrusive manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand really remains at 887.006853, which shapes the reason for especially present. Certainly positioning in a real sense was referenced before and a sort of huge manner yesterday. On July 26, Algo by and large had a market capitalization of 826.594 to 300 in an unpretentious manner. Keep going weak. On July 19, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to generally was recorded at 902.463, 470 win, or so the truly thought a month earlier. On June 13, the market value of Algorand was estimated to be 816,36859, or so they thought. The total stock is the number of coins that have been made by different people, such as through mining. This number is very large. These digital forms of money can be used either for dynamic trading or stored in backers' wallets or with overseers, showing how a similar numerical method is used to figure out the overall position and popularity of a currency. Market changes could also give hints about the coin's future release, or so they thought. At the moment, the total stock of Algorand is 7,683,398,457 Algo, or so they thought. Finally, the circling supply is used to calculate the market capitalization and evaluate the coin's current position in the market. It's generally agreed that digital currencies with a circulating supply of between 60 million and 150 million are the best for long-term investments because they are likely to increase in value over a long period of time, possibly many years, while keeping a steady growth rate. At the moment, Algorand has a circulating supply of 7,683,909. Last few hours, the trading volume for Algo reached 81.560 when 125 in a very important way yesterday, July 20th. The average weighted trading volume recorded at the end of the trading time frame stayed at 46.664 178 in a very important way. 7 days ago, on July 19, the amount of Algo that was usually traded between market members was estimated to be $37,860 when 738 came out. This shows that 7 days ago, on July 19, the amount of Algo that was usually traded between market members was definitely estimated to be $37,860 when 738 came out. Bitcoin price predictions and Ethereum price predictions, BTC and ETH drop nearly 5%, weekend bounce? Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most well-known coins, have both lost a lot of value. BTC is now worth $29,780 and ETH is worth $1,889. As buyers keep a close eye on these events, they need to look into the technical outlook to figure out what the price might do in the next few days. The goal of this Bitcoin and Ethereum price forecast is to look at recent price changes and see if BTC and ETH might get a boost before the weekend. How much will Bitcoin cost? From an analytical point of view, Bitcoin is trading just above a key support level at $29,500. A triple bottom pattern in the 4-hour window is another sign that this support level is correct. Both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, show a negative trend. The RSI is at 42, and the MACD is below zero. At $29,995, just below the psychological level of $30,000, the 50-day exponential moving average works as a resistance level. Taking these things into account, it is likely that Bitcoin will stay negative and stay below $30,000. If the cryptocurrency breaks through the support level at $29,500, it could continue to fall and hit the next support level at $28,900. On the other hand, if the price doesn't break below $29,500, it could lead to a bullish bounce that first pushes the price toward $30,000 and then, in a bullish crossover, past $30,500. Notably,